Have you ever seen a circus? It's a magical place where the impossible becomes possible and every corner is filled with wonder and excitement. It's full of amazing sights and incredible feats. From daring acrobats soaring through the air to clowns making everyone laugh, there's always something to marvel at. Our solar system is like a giant space circus, with lots of amazing things to see. Imagine each planet as a unique performer, each with its own special act. Imagine a huge dark tent with billions of sparkling stars. This tent is our galaxy, the Milky Way, a vast and wondrous place filled with countless stars and mysteries. That's our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's like the grand stage where all the cosmic performances take place. In this galaxy, our solar system is like a special stage. It's where the most fascinating acts of the universe unfold. It has 8 planets, including our very own Earth. Each planet has its own personality and story, making the show even more captivating. Each planet is like a performer with its own unique act. From the fiery dances of Mercury to the majestic rings of Saturn, every planet brings something special to the show. There's also the Sun, our very own star that lights up the entire show. But that's not all. The Sun is like the ringmaster, guiding and illuminating the entire performance. There are also moons, asteroids, and comets whizzing around, adding to the excitement. These celestial bodies are like the supporting acts, each contributing to the grand spectacle. It's a cosmic dance of celestial bodies, each with its own story to tell. The planets, moons, and stars all move in harmony, creating a mesmerizing performance. Ready to meet the performers and discover the wonders of our very own space circus? There's so much to explore and learn about in this incredible cosmic show. Buckle up, adventurers, because our journey through the solar system is about to begin. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure through the wonders of space. At the heart of our cosmic circus shines the star of the show, the Sun. This dazzling performer is the reason we have light, warmth, and life on our beautiful planet. Sunny, as we like to call him, is a giant ball of burning gas that gives off light and heat. Imagine a colossal bonfire that never goes out, providing us with endless energy. Think of Sunny as a campfire, but much, much bigger. This campfire is so enormous that it can light up the entire solar system. In fact, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside Sunny. That's how massive and powerful our sun is. Sunny's gravity is like an invisible rope, holding all the planets in our solar system together. This gravitational pull keeps everything in perfect harmony. It's like how a ball on a string stays close when you swing it around. The sun's gravity ensures that planets orbit around it in a stable manner. Without Sunny's gravity, the planets would fly off into space. Our solar system would be a chaotic mess without this crucial force. Sunny's light and heat make life possible on Earth. The sun's rays provide the energy needed for plants to grow and for ecosystems to thrive. Plants use sunlight to grow, and animals in turn get their energy from plants. This cycle of energy is essential for all living beings. And who can resist a warm, sunny day perfect for playing outside? Sunny days bring joy and happiness to everyone. Thank you, Sunny, for making our planet so special. Your light and warmth are the reasons we can enjoy life to the fullest. Get ready to zoom across the solar system to meet Mercury, the speediest planet. Mercury is like the ultimate race car, always in a hurry, always on the move. It's the smallest planet, but don't let its size fool you. This little planet has a lot of character and a lot of speed. Mercury is like a little race car, zipping around the sun faster than any other planet. It's the closest planet to the sun, which gives it a unique position in our solar system. Its proximity to the sun means it has the shortest orbit. It's so fast that it only takes 88 Earth days for Mercury to make one full lap around the sun. That's less than 3 months. Imagine how quickly time flies on Mercury. Imagine having a birthday every 88 days. You'd be celebrating all the time. Mercury's quick orbit makes it a fascinating planet to study. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system, even smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede. Despite its small size, it has a big personality. It's a rocky planet with a dusty gray surface covered in craters. These craters are the result of countless impacts over billions of years. It's kind of like our moon, but much hotter because it's so close to the sun. Temperatures on Mercury can soar to extreme highs during the day and plummet at night. Despite being a small and speedy planet, Mercury is full of surprises. It has giant cliffs, towering mountains, and even ice hidden deep inside some of its craters. It has giant cliffs, towering mountains, and even ice hidden deep inside some of its craters. These features make Mercury a planet of extremes and contrasts. One day, astronauts might explore Mercury's surface and uncover even more of its secrets. Who knows what other mysteries this speedy little planet holds? The adventure awaits. Next up is Venus, the dazzling beauty of our solar system. Venus shines so brightly in the night sky that it looks like a sparkling jewel. It's often called the morning star or evening star because it's the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. But don't let Venus's beauty fool you. This planet has a secret. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. That's because Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, which traps heat from the sun like a giant blanket. Venus is also a very cloudy planet, with thick clouds that rain sulfuric acid. That's not exactly the kind of rain you want to play in. Despite its extreme conditions, Venus reminds us that even the most beautiful things can have hidden surprises. Now it's time to visit our very own home, planet Earth. From space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble with swirling white clouds. That's because it's covered in water, which makes up about 70% of our planet's surface. That's why Earth is often called the blue planet. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. It has the perfect conditions for life to thrive, including liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a comfortable temperature. From tiny insects to giant whales, our planet is teeming with amazing creatures. We live on a truly special planet, and it's our job to take care of it. By protecting our environment, we ensure that Earth remains a vibrant and healthy home for all living things for generations to come. Next door to Earth is Mars, a dusty red planet that has fascinated humans for centuries. Mars gets its reddish hue from iron oxide, which is basically rust. Imagine a planet covered in rust. Mars is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons, and a canyon system so grand it makes the Grand Canyon look like a small ditch. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter planet, with rivers, lakes, and maybe even life. Today, rovers explore Mars's surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. Maybe one day, humans will set foot on Mars and unravel the mysteries of this intriguing planet. Hold on tight as we journey to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it with room to spare. Talk about a giant! Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it's made mostly of gas and doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Imagine a giant ball of swirling clouds and storms. One of its most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter also has a faint ring system and over 75 moons. One of its moons, Europa, is covered in ice and may even have a vast ocean of liquid water beneath its surface, making it a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. Get ready to be amazed by Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. Saturn's rings are its most recognizable feature, making it look like a giant cosmic hat. These rings are made up of billions of icy particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to giant boulders. Imagine playing a game of Ring Around the Planet with those icy particles. But don't get too close, or you might get caught in Saturn's gravity and become part of its rings forever. Saturn is also a gas giant, like Jupiter, and has many moons, including Titan, which has a thicker atmosphere than Earth, and even has lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Saturn's rings and moons make it one of the most fascinating planets to observe through a telescope. Let's take a trip to Uranus, the sideways planet. That's right, Uranus spins on its side like a ball rolling across a table. Scientists believe that a giant collision early in its history caused Uranus to tilt on its axis. Uranus is an ice giant, which means it's made mostly of icy materials and gases. It's also a very cold planet, with temperatures that can drop to -371 degrees Fahrenheit. Brr, that's chilly. Uranus has faint rings and over 25 moons. One of its moons, Miranda, has a bizarre jumbled-up surface that looks like it was pieced together from different parts. Uranus's unique features make it a planet full of surprises. Our last stop takes us to Neptune, the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune is a blue giant with swirling blue clouds and supersonic winds that can reach over 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. Neptune is also very cold, with temperatures averaging around -353 degrees Fahrenheit. It's so far away from the Sun that it takes 165 Earth years for Neptune to make one complete orbit. That means 1 year on Neptune is longer than a human lifetime. Neptune has a faint ring system and 14 moons. One of its moons, Triton, is geologically active and has geysers that erupt nitrogen gas. Neptune's extreme weather and distant location make it a mysterious and intriguing world. Our journey through the solar system has come to an end, but the adventure of space exploration is just beginning. By studying the planets and stars, we learn more about our place in the universe and the origins of our own planet. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? Perhaps one day, humans will live on other planets, travel to distant stars, or even make contact with extraterrestrial life. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. So keep dreaming big, young explorers, and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. The future of space exploration is in your hands.